Hi, this is Eric, and today I'll be exploring the ducting module you'll find inside Mech-Q. Today I'm using AViCAD, which has Mech-Q included in it. It's a full CAD program with our modules. So have a look at that. So I'll be working in this portion of the ribbon. This is the main module, and inside here we've got this run mode selected here, but there's other draw modes as well, so have a look at those. Now in our options menu we have our labels turned on and our lengths and sizes checked here. I've also set the text height to 1/4 of an inch, which is in this video important because I'll show you the other setting you'll want to set is called dim scale, and it's set to 12, which is going to give us a table that is large enough to read. So check those settings out as well. If you have any questions, email me about that. So let's get started. So we're going to do the ducting run. We're going to come down 4 feet just by typing it in, and over 4 feet. And at this point it's going to put everything in except the last piece of duct, and it wants us to continue on. So I guess we could do that. Let's just go up another 2 feet, and so the bottom piece comes in and then the elbow will come in with it. And then to end the run we're just going to press enter. Okay, so now we have this short little run here we've created. Also make sure that you turn on your ortho mode here, which is this icon, right here, and press your F8 button as well if you want to get to it in a quicker way. To override the ortho or to turn it on the fly, just press your shift key down, and that will also lock it or unlock it as you need it. Let's go ahead and put a T on this now. We've got round selected. We're going to draw it by this side here. And then we'll rotate it in so that our T branches to the right there. Now let's go back into our main ducting module and come up and then do one to here. So now we've got all these pieces drawn in here. Let's go ahead and do a diffuser, selecting this option. We've got the rectangular to round selected here. We're going to kind of project a point out here, 3 feet away. And then we can come back and, well, it's wanting us to put an annotation down, so I'm just going to press S for skip. And I'm going to exit this, and then I'm going to go into the accessories, and the first thing that comes up is this flexible duct option, which is the one I want, but there's other draw modes here as well, so check those out. I've got this set to 0.4 as far as the spacing goes, and I've got my label turned on. I guess I'll just keep that turned on, and we're going to go ahead and, oh yes, so on my bend, my starting bend is going to be here at 90 degrees, and my ending bend is going to be straight, so I leave that off. And I want to select it from the center here, so let's go ahead and turn that on by right-clicking here and turning on center snap temporarily. Okay. And then the opposite point would be here. and press enter. And we're done with that. We can move this label up if we want. So we just highlight, we just kind of zoom down on this thing, highlight that, then move it down. Last fitting here for today. I'm going to put in an elbow. I'm going to choose draw. And then I'm going to choose face because I'm going to be selecting it from the center. So face, or F. Clicking on the end here. Now I want to mirror this. So down here it says mirror yes or no. And yes, let me mirror it. And so that gives me an elbow going to the right. Now if I wanted to go to the left, I'd have to select this and then mirror this piece to go this way, just by using the AutoCAD or AViCAD mirror command. So that gives us a good taste of the ducting utility. Let me go ahead and choose Bill of Materials. And I'm going to choose none for my leader. And in this configuration, I'm just going to choose Create Bill of Materials. Now we can send it to a file or an Excel spreadsheet if we want. I'm picking everything globally in the drawing, so and I'm just going to go ahead and create my bill of materials. The insertion point is at the bottom right corner, so let's go ahead and pan up here and put it right up here. Now I'm going to pan down into the drawing. I'm going to place my balloons around as shown here. Now let's say I wanted to override this snap. Again, I can press my shift key down and override it that way. Alright. Now I can always move these balloons around. Let's say if I make a mistake. And then you can see the schedule has been created here, and that's essentially how this all works. Now if we want to plot this drawing out, let me just show you how to do that real quick. So if we wanted to plot, we can choose this to monochrome or grayscale, and we can choose the print area to a window. Select the window here. And then we can send it to a PDF as I'm selected here. And then choose preview to see what it's going to look like before I send it to the PDF printer. So really easy to print this. If you have any questions on Mech-Q, be sure to email me. I'm going to leave you my email. It's info@cadavenue.com, or you can call me directly at 888-271-7121. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.